Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Erik, and here with the investment channel, guys. Yep, you read the title. I went all in. I have zero funds available right now to actually buy anything. Obviously, I do have access to margin, but I'm not that margin type of guy, so I don't really use it. The market's been going crazy right now, but there is a possibility. I'm not saying that it is, but there could be a possibility that yesterday and early today we saw the bottom. And the reason why I say that, think about last year, right? So about March 23rd, that's when we bottom, okay? Meaning that a lot of investors got in at those prices, okay? So they're buying from, let's say, uh, February down to March. And a lot of them were probably building big positions into like different stocks. So right now they can actually sell for long-term capital gains, which is, I mean, I would have done the same thing if I had a position with a lot of money in it. Example, Tesla, which just went bananas from last year to this year. So after the 23rd, we saw a flash crash on the 24th. And today we had that quick crash in the morning. I guess it kept selling off in the morning, and then we saw a pretty good recovery throughout the day. And I'm not saying that this is the bottom for sure, but I do feel like there's a lot of money transferred into different stocks, different sectors, profits being taken. So yeah, keep that in mind. Again, I'm not saying that it's the bottom, but you never know. Because I went all into this one stock, I do have to let you know that I've done some changes in my Robinhood portfolio. My Roth IRA, Acorns, and all that stuff. I didn't touch anything. I actually added more into current stocks that I already have in the portfolio. Now, we all know about LKCO. We know about SDG if you watch my channel. I basically sold off of those positions, okay? I sold off of LKCO. It's still gonna go, I believe it's still gonna go up, but I'm out of it for now. And I'm out of SDG for now. I believe it's still gonna go up in the long term. I might get back in, but I really wanted to go all in into this one position. And you might be asking, Erik, what's the position? So I went all in to CCIV. So you're probably asking, why did I go all in into CCIV? First of all, I love their cars. Okay, guys, you guys know. If you don't know, I love cars, and I feel like they have one of the most beautiful EVs that are gonna come out on the market. And not just that, I like the CEO. I saw their most recent filings showing that they have been already making some revenue with their battery tech in the Formula E. They do have like about 600 something $1 million in the balance sheet right now. The most expensive Lucid is already sold out on, like, the reservations have been already sold out, and each one of them is like $1,000. So that's more money what they can work with. So I really like that car. I really like the way it looks. I like the CEO, like I said, again, just repeating myself. Then you're probably asking, how much did you go in? So right now, as you guys can see, my Robinhood portfolio is about $52,000. I am gonna go into the buying power. I have zero brokerage cash. I told you guys I went shopping. I have no more money. So if it dips, which is probably gonna dip, um, I'm not gonna buy anymore. I'm good right now. Okay. And this is now, I literally have basically two positions in my portfolio right now. It's gonna change, but not right now. I'm okay with that. So mostly foresight, and now the CCIV calls right there. So I didn't really buy shares. I bought calls. So I bought 7 contracts at an average cost of 11.64. Right now they're sitting at 12.45. Like, I spent per contract about $1,164, but I'm already up 566. Not to say that could now go down with what I just told you guys about last year, the 23rd, and today, after noticing that big dip the 24th, and that kind of recover in the 25th. I kind of felt like, oh hey, let me go in right now. Well, if I'm not right, I'm not right. Well, the expiration date here is not until 2023, so I have plenty of time. Okay, plenty of time. About $8,715 in worth CCIV contracts, so that's pretty cool. And like I said, no more LKCO in my Robinhood portfolio, no more STG, and yeah, just literally a Foresight, ARC, which only have like $1,000 in it, and CCIV now. this is gonna be interesting. So what do you guys think? How am I gonna do in the long term? Because you guys know I'm not a day trader. Okay, I do this for the long term. And the other position that I did close out, I had them open for months. Okay, so let's see. Hopefully it works out my way. Because if it doesn't, bro, yo, my portfolio is gonna cry. Like we could see this turning into 15, $20,000 real quick. But you're probably wondering, what's my percentage right now? So my total investment on this portfolio was about $7,718. And my total return as at the moment, it's at 576%. At one point it was over 1,000%, which is just crazy. But I'm in my portfolio is very risky. So whenever there's like a portfolio now, it's not really not a portfolio. It's like kind of two stocks, basically two, three positions. But doesn't matter. That's how I want to do it, and concentrate all that money. It's not that I took some money out of like LKCO and CG to just go into something that's like more, I say, conservative. But no, actually, I'm taking more risk by doing this. But it's all good. Let's see how it goes. I'm not planning on selling it anytime soon. But like I said, I mean, it could, if we go back to, let's say, 30, 40 and CCIV, I could be seeing some amazing gains. And it may not happen right away, but this is my call, especially when they start selling their cars. I mean, there's like few risks. They gotta they gotta actually like meet the deadlines and start delivering the vehicles. That's what I really want. But and I really want to actually reserve one. That's the cheapest one, obviously, not the. I ain't got the money like that. I just want to reserve the cheapest one. I know it's not gonna be ready probably until like 2022 or 2023. So by then, hopefully, I'm a little bit better in life. I might be able to swing it. I have not sold any. Just a foresight. I've not sold any shares. Okay, nothing like that. I've not touched anything on my Roth IRA. Qcoin. I haven't sold anything in Qcoin as well. But yeah, portfolio. Stock market right now is rough, but it is what it is. That's the life of an investor. And it's not going to be only up. I'm still down for the week on just the Robinhood Portfolio, about like $8,000. That's a lot of money. It is what it is. We're not here for the short term. Okay, I'm here for the long term. This is what I'm planning on doing. Okay, at one point just this week I was, I think, down over $15,000. But it's just paper. Okay. But guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, go ahead and please leave me a like, comment, and let me know your picks. Let me know what you've been buying, because I'm really interested in seeing like what people are buying right now that the market is basically selling off. All right, guys. So see you next time. Bye.